You won't believe what happened to this 18-year-old girl who decided to pay a surprise visit to her boyfriend at the university. Now, it was supposed to be a sweet visit, but it ended up being a full-blown emergency room disaster. Many years ago, there was this girl who was sent on an errand by the mom to go get something from the market. And on the way, she had this boyfriend in the university that she had missed, and she didn't have, transportation money to go visit the guy. So when mom said, go get me some stuff from the market, and mom provided transportation, it was the opportunity that she'd been waiting for. So she detoured and went to the university to go and visit this guy. But it was not just a visit. She had expectations. She was longing for the guy. The guy was longing for her. It was a young love. It was impulsive, exciting. The hormones were, up there and ravaging and all of that. Anyway, there was no time for talk. She was in a hurry. No time for foreplay either. No preparation. They started, rushed it, poor judgment. He had no idea what he was doing, truth be told. She had no idea what she was doing as well. She was completely dry, completely unready. And in a moment of sheer ignorance, they didn't think it was necessary to be well prepared before penile penetration. And guess what happened? He forced his way in. She screamed. But it wasn't a ringtone. It wasn't screaming from pleasure. It was real pain. And then, before he could say, what happened? There was blood everywhere. Now, initially, they tried to manage it with towels, with blood, water, but it didn't work. At some point, they figured out that, you know what? If this girl does not go to the hospital, she's going to die. So, that amount of blood that has been lost, they rushed her to the hospital. It was at the hospital that the diagnosis of full vaginal tear was made. A lot of blood had been lost. The girl was in severe pain, rushed her to the theater, had to suture her, even gave her some blood. Now guess who they called? The mother. So, what was supposed to be secret, what was supposed to be something the mom will not know about, ended up being something that mom and dad actually had to come know about. Now, sex isn't just about consent. We're big on that. It's important. It's also about preparation. It's about foreplay. There's a reason why it's called foreplay. It means before play. You just don't play. You go to fore before you play. And this is not just for young people. It's for everybody. It doesn't matter for how long you've been married or been together. You have to have foreplay to prevent episodes like this. You need to stay healthy, stay safe, and send this to people who need to hear it, especially those who are generals of quickies. I'm just going to do a quick one. I'm in a hurry. It doesn't work that way. Your mind might want to do it, but your body still has to go through preparation before play. Foreplay is there for a reason. It's called fore, which means before play. Before you play, make sure you warm up. See you in the next video. Have a nice time, and for those who have subscribed, thank you very much. I look forward to seeing you again.